Boss, you ever wonder if these things really work?
Every ring work until the spirit inside decide otherwise. 2 duppy maximum per ring. More than that, balance gone.
We hear your rings can protect people.
Protect them from what exactly?
People want kill nipple, boss.
Money always come with enemies. This one carried 2 guardian spirits. How much? Protection expensive.
You not care about price. Me just need the ring.
So these are the famous spirit shop.
Careful, them spirits sensitive.
Sensitive?
Me pay money for badness.
Me need one with 10 duppy. No ring can hold that. Money not problem. Spirit balance is.
Boss, this not feel right.
Sometimes survival costs more than peace.
Please, we need help.
Who do this to you?
My husband tried to kill me.
This one protect mothers.